Since 1995, Meljac has been manufacturing luxury brass switches whose aesthetics appeal to architects and designers worldwide. A 30-style drop lever or the more contemporary ellipse, sockets and other mechanisms for France and abroad. But also LED reading lights with the Meljac elegance, table lamps that harmonize with the collections. Meljac offers a range of volumes and bells in solid brass of impeccable quality. The Limoges collection in biscuit or glazed porcelain and the tempered glass of the Pierrot collection bring a touch of colour to different styles of decoration. Made-to-measure engraving, solid brass, quality finishes. These models display all of the know-how for which the Meljac brand is renowned. Meljac can also be used for home automation systems, and its products can be customized on demand. Meljac is trusted by historic sites, such as the Versailles Castle, which uses this floor socket. This brass multi-socket, inspired by the Louvre Pyramid and this new model of contactless motion detector switch, are the result of the technical innovation that is at the heart of our business development. And as creativity has no limits, Meljac offers bronze models set with semi-precious stones, such as labradite, which this butterfly displays elegantly. In 2015, Meljac obtained the EPVE or Living Heritage Company label. Its brass products have carried Origine France Guarantee labels since 2012. Before anything is made, our engineering designers produce 3D plans and develop the new standard or made-to-measure products. Cutting the brass by robot means Meljac can create extremely precise products in numerous different sizes. All cylindrical parts are machined separately and require special tools and techniques. New creations, like this still unfinished floor trap, are frequently developed. Some models are subject to very complex machining, especially in the case of covers for special mechanisms, for which the company is renowned and highly sought after. The beveled edges of the plates are done by hand. The marking, a guarantee of authenticity. Demand for engraving of words, symbols, or other signs is growing and can be performed mechanically or by laser. The waterjet machine is used for cutting porcelain. Internally managed finishes involve a series of different manual steps that are part of a historic know-how that Meljac wants to perpetuate. Each product can be made in 25 different finishes. Equipping a product, which is often painstaking work, is carefully carried out and is the last thing we do before shipment. Meljac's products are exported worldwide. Hotels, individual people, famous brands. And also famous monuments have already made use of Meljac's expertise. Explore the world of Meljac on www.meljac.com.